Ali Mugerwa is the baby's father. His side of the story is that the baby was sick, and since the mother wouldn't do anything about it, he picked little Akiram up and proceeded to take him to a clinic. It was 2 a.m. in the night. He says the baby died on the way. Too scared to go and report the tragedy to his wife, Ali decided to throw the body of the baby away and run. Ali's wife has a different story. When she woke up, she says, locked in a house with a burning candle, she screamed for help. The neighbors opened the door. Ali says he only locked her in because he feared that robbers would attack the home. Besides, he knew he would be back soon enough. But he never came back. 2 days later, the police found the mutilated baby's body. 25-year-old Ali has since become the key suspect in what the police believe was a murder and a case of child sacrifice.
Father has been on the run, not until yesterday, when the mother sighted him in the areas of Chitevi, and he liaised with the community and they cooperated well, and he was handed over to us.
Ali says he has never been to a witch doctor in his life and that he would never harm his own child. His wife believes he killed little Akiram.
Investigation is going on to find out what exactly happened.
At least one child in Uganda dies in an incident of child sacrifice every day, according to a report released by Humane Uganda early this year. The report claims that this vice is on the rise because communities have placed a high demand on children's body parts. 2-month-old Akiram's body was found devoid of the ears, private parts and the tongue. There was also a neck wound, through which it is suspected the baby's blood could have been drained.